hi guys. I just wanted to say hello. I'm the founder of BFF Cosmetics. I just want to first and foremost say thank you to Tracy for this opportunity, because at first when I started my GoFundHer page, I'll know we'll get into stuff later, but when I started my GoFundHer page, I was kind of nervous for asking people for help. I just thought, with social media, like, why would I ask somebody for help? I think we get embarrassed as women. And I remember just like, what am I supposed to do? Like, and Tracy was like, people will donate. So BFF Cosmetics has been a dream of mine to own my own cosmetics line. It stands for Beauty Friends Forever. And the goal with having a GoFundHer page was to get funding, because the startup business is extremely hard, and just with manufacturer, trying out each beauty products, to get everything out there. So, BFF Cosmetics stands for Beauty Friends Forever, and I'm the founder of BFF Cosmetics.
Yes, thank you so much, Bianca. I'm so excited because
focus platform where girls and women can come to make their visions into reality. And by doing that, we have these different aspects.
If you have this huge group of women where, like, let's say I need a graphic designer, I could go onto City Girls Big Dreams and look up another member of City Girls Big Dreams who's a graphic designer. Like, that's a cool idea.
Mm-hmm.
So to business directory, to connect people with each other, a listing of experts, because this is what I wrote down, because we are all experts at something, but no one is an expert at everything.
As far as, affirmations through our merchandise, one-on-one Zoom call, or even like our annual events. Now we want to do the business shower, and then we have our anniversary party, which is in June, and then we want to do links up, but we linking with people digitally, and which means we can reach people if we have way more exposure.
That is one thing that you would want people to take away from your story.
Startup cost production, and that's marketing as well. And she's just such an amazing woman. I heard nothing but great things about her. Even tonight, her makeup looks fabulous. So let's make sure we let her know that we appreciate her presence. We appreciate her business. And tonight, we're ready to give her some funds.
Yes, because just following those tips, you will be surprised who can come up and be like, hey, I saw you on this company, or I saw you on this, and I want to connect, because that's the whole reason it's the internet was created. It wasn't created for us to just be on here just posting anything. You want to be intentional, because people that are looking, they're intentional as well.
Everyone is being watched. Everyone is being watched on social media. I mean, it may sound kind of creepy, but it is the truth. And whether you want people to see you or not, if your profile is on somewhere, then you're on social media, you're on the internet. So it's important and it's not too late to clean up your image either, but it's important to create an image on the internet. And what's a beautiful thing about the internet too is you can create that image as well. You can clean up your act. You can erase things from the past. You could try to, you can create this your own platform. You can do a lot of different things to gain that professionalism over time on the internet. And I think that's another beautiful thing about the internet and about connecting right now, during this pandemic, is that you're all online. So now, like, you don't have to worry about going out, having to, shake hands with people and all that stuff. Like, that will come in the future, yes, but you can be so creative right now in the way you connect with people and still have a positive image by doing so.